everybody, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this property like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. See more than 100 of reviews of this hotel. You can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 6.6, which is the good category one. You can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlights, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Room category. Surroundings. Taking time in this hotel is 8 p.m. Checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are amenities and offers available online for this hotel along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. To get more details about this hotel, please check link in the description box. If you have visited this hotel, if you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video.